Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a micro SD card at the Poco X3 Pro. Okay, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box if you have put it back. So after inserting the SIM card, it should be here. And if you don't have it anymore, if it's lost, then you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And below the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now with the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip, you enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, on the first position you will always have the SIM card, and on the second position you can have a second SIM card if you want, or a micro SD card. But if you're having a micro SD card, you cannot enter a second SIM card. Please mind that. Okay, let us place the micro SD card here because it's the topic of that video. Okay, this is how it should look like then. So it only fits like this, and the contacts are below. Okay, and after, just put your construction back into the phone like this. And that's it. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos like to transfer data from the internal storage to the micro SD card. It is for the X3, but it's the same thing for the X3 Pro. And yeah, you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.